Hey everyone, MRA here from M.RA Passive Income Playbook. Turn your blog posts into engaging videos with FlexClip's blog to video AI. Hey everyone, MRA here from M.RA Passive Income Playbook. Today, I'm excited to share with you a powerful tool that can help you repurpose your existing blog content into engaging and informative videos, FlexClip's blog to video AI. As content creators, we all know the importance of diversifying our content and reaching a wider audience. Videos are a fantastic way to do this, but creating them from scratch can be time-consuming and require specific skills. FlexClip's blog to video AI bridges this gap by automatically transforming your blog posts into professional-looking videos. Here's how it works. 1. Connect your blog. FlexClip seamlessly integrates with popular blogging platforms like WordPress, Blogger, and Medium. Simply grant access and your blog posts will be automatically imported into the platform. 2. Choose your content. Select the specific blog post you want to convert into a video. You can also choose specific sections of the post if you prefer a shorter video. 3. Customize your video. FlexClip's AI will automatically generate a video script based on your blog post and select relevant images and music to create an engaging visual experience. You can further customize the video by adding your own text overlays, voiceovers, and even animations. 4th, publish and share. Once you're happy with your video, simply publish it directly to YouTube, Facebook, or any other platform you prefer. Here are some of the benefits of using FlexClip's blog to video AI. Saves time and effort. Creating videos from scratch is time-consuming. FlexClip's AI handles the heavy lifting, freeing you up to focus on creating more content or other aspects of your business. Reaches a wider audience. Videos are more engaging and shareable than written content. By converting your blog posts into videos, you can reach a wider audience and grow your following. Improves SEO. Video content is often ranked higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, than written content. This can help you attract more organic traffic to your blog and website. Boosts engagement. Videos are more likely to capture your audience's attention and keep them engaged. This can lead to increased website traffic, conversion rates, and brand awareness. If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to create engaging videos from your existing blog content, FlexClip's blog to video AI is an excellent choice. It's user-friendly, affordable, and offers all the features you need to create professional-looking videos that will resonate with your audience. Here are some additional tips for using FlexClip's blog to video AI. Choose high-quality blog posts. Select blog posts that are well-written, informative, and visually appealing. This will help you create videos that are engaging and valuable to your audience. Use a clear and concise writing style. When writing your blog posts, use a clear and concise writing style that is easy to understand. This will make it easier for FlexClip's AI to generate a high-quality video script. Add visuals. Use images, infographics, and other visuals to enhance your blog posts and make them more visually appealing. This will make your videos even more engaging. Promote your videos. Once you've created your videos, promote them on social media, your website, and other channels. This will help you get more views and engagement. By following these tips and using FlexClip's blog to video AI, you can easily create engaging and informative videos that will help you reach a wider audience and grow your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to M.RA Passive Income Playbook for more tips and tricks on passive income and entrepreneurship.